Hi kids, do you know how to expand this number? Separating the values of its digit? This will be our lesson for today. Expanding 4-digit numbers. Can you read this number? Are you familiar with the place values of this number? How about the values of its digit? If we add all these values together, we will get 1,234. Now, let's expand numbers farther.
1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Time to swing. Time to sing. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Stomp your feet. Follow me. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Everybody up and down. Spin your body. Touch the ground. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Clap your hands. Sing with me. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. I can hear you. Are you there? Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Oh, there you are. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Go! Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Time to swing. Time to sing. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Stomp your
IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.